Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to use the concatenate function to display the contents of the cell B4 and A4 separated by a space in the cell J4. So this is the cell that we are going to use, and what we are going to do is that we are going to use a function which will give us output of gain space able. So this is our output function, right? So we will be using a concatenate function. Concatenate means it will join two or more than two words together. So like any function, we would be starting with equal to sign. It will activate our function and we will use concatenate. And I'll select the first one, that is B4, and then give a comma, and then we will be using a space between two words. So for space, we would be using a double apostrophe and then give one space and then close this and then comma and then again the first word A4 we have selected, and by closing the tab and clicking enter, we have find out gain space able. So this was all about how to use concatenate function to join two or more than two words together by giving any space. So thanks again for watching this video, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. I would be very happy to answer them. And please do like this video. I would definitely love to increase the reach of my channel. Thanks once again.